What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we're back to work on the Forester again, obviously, and we're going to be changing out these taillights today. LED on this thing is a necessity. It came with the newer models. It looks a lot better. We're going to be swapping these out for something that's darker too, so let's get to it. So today we're swapping these things out for these beautiful Colin LED tail lamps. They are a red pearl, or red, I think it said red pearl, or red chrome, sorry, red chrome with a smoked lens. They came out for sale used in one of my Forester groups. I just had to jump on them. The price was right, so you can't say anything about it. It's got LEDs inside of here, a nice sea light kind of style LED. You can see the red inside of it, but it doesn't pop out to you like being chrome. I don't like chrome, but with the smoked lens it makes it very clean. And it's got these kind of angled areas here, which I'm pretty sure those are the reverse lights, or could be wrong. Anyways, I don't remember. Show you all the features once we get it plugged in, but this is going to be a perfect plug and play replacement of those clear and ugly looking 14 Forester taillights. They've been through a few years already. It's only been about 5 years on the car, but it takes its toll, especially in Canada. So putting these on, we'll get them all cleaned up. It'll look really nice. So I can't wait to get those on. Again, those are the Colin LED taillights. I've seen them on some of the cars and they look amazing, so let's get them on. I've already shown you guys how to put taillights on this car when I did the LED reflectors at the bottom, the sequential ones, but I'll show you how to take them off anyways. It's really simple. So obviously you're going to grab your best friend, the 10mm socket, the thing that goes missing all the time, put it on a ratchet, and then take out these two bolts here. Once those are out, it's kind of just a pulling back motion. Obviously you don't want to pull too hard. If you go flying with the taillight, you'll rip out some of the wires or something like that, or damage the taillight in general. But anyways, there's 3 clips, if I remember correctly, 3 or 4, and you just kind of pull straight out without trying to damage the plastic protector up here. So you really want to have to try and pull from the front of the taillight. So that's the parking light. Hard to see. It's very strange that some of them are lit up here and not all of them. Looks like those two are lit up. I don't know. Kind of see how it works once we get into it. I'm really not sure. The top one almost seems like it's not working at all, but maybe that's a different light. Maybe I'll put my turn signal on top of it. Alright guys, so this is kind of a waste of time. You win some, you lose some. I'm going to take them off the car. One of the actual lights is burnt. The seller never told me that. Things happen. He says he didn't notice it either. It is what it is. I'm going to try and get them fixed, but for now I'm going to take it off the car. I'm happy I only did the first one and that's when I noticed it. But we'll go back to the stock one. So that's the end of this video. Things don't always work out the way you want it to. See you guys in the next one.